Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rancho Santa Margarita local and long-distance movers near me. The best long-distance movers will make sure your belongings are protected throughout transit. This type of move will likely take you out of state and might take you across the country. It's a huge undertaking, and hiring some help just makes sense. We give you the right team to ensure your move goes smoothly. Our services include packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with a local California moving company provides many benefits. You will gain back some time and energy on moving day. Since professionals will be handling your things, they will be well protected throughout the move. Even if you're just going up the street, a local move will help you get there faster and easier. 3 Movers offers the best moving day possible. With a local move, we get you there faster and do all the heavy lifting for you. A move that would take you all weekend, we get done in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rancho Santa Margarita moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.